Hello, this lecture is regarding English vocabularies. In this lecture, I have collected very much important English vocabularies from Dawn newspaper along with Urdu meanings and synonyms and antonyms. So let's start. Predicament. Predicament means परेशान कौन खतरनाक सूरत हाल. Predicament means a difficult, unpleasant, or embarrassing situation. The synonym of predicament are difficult situation, awkward situation, miss, difficulty, problematic situation, issues. Antonyms of predicament are advantage, agreement, benefit, blessing. Grievance. Grievance means a real or imagined cause for complaint, especially unfair treatment. ग्रीवांस का मतलब है शिकवा, शिकायत, रंजिश. Synonyms of grievance are injustice, unjust act, wrong, injury, ill, offense, unfairness, while the antonym of grievance is commendation. Strap means fasten or secure in a specified place or position with a strap. स्ट्रैप का मतलब है किसना, पेटना, मारना, चमड़ी की पट्टी. Synonym of strap are fasten, secure, tie, bend, make fast, lash, buckle, truss, pinion. Antonyms of strap are unbend, untie, undo, unfasten. Turmoil means a state of great disturbance, confusion or uncertainty. टर्मोइल का मतलब है अफरा तफरी, खलबली, हलचल. Synonym of turmoil are confusion, upheavals, turbulence, tumult, disorder, commotion, disturbance, agitation, while antonym of turmoil are calm, peace. Lethal means muhlik, janlewa, very harmful or destructive. Synonym of lethal are fatal, deadly, mortal, causing death, death dealing, life threatening, murderous, homicidal, and the antonym of lethal are harmless, safe. Conscience. Conscience means a person's moral sense of right and wrong, viewed as acting as a guide to one's behavior. Batil, iman, niyat, zamir. Synonym of conscience are sense of right and wrong, sense of right, moral sense, still small voice, inner voice, and voice within. Antonym of conscience are defiance, disdain, happiness, indifference. Obfuscate means अंधेरा करना, तारीक करना, धुंधला करना. Make obscure, unclear, or unintelligible. The synonym of obfuscate is obscure, confuse, make obscure, or make unclear, blur, muddle, jumble, complicate, grable. The antonym of obfuscate is clarity, clarify. Befit. Befit means मौजू होना, जेब देना. Be appropriate for suit. Synonym of befit or in keeping with, is befits, fitting, appropriate to, fit for, suitable for, suited to, apt for. While the antonym of befit or out of keeping with. Merely means sirf, bus, just, only. The synonym of merely is only, purely, solely, simply, entirely, just, but. Antonym of merely is considerable, endlessly, forever, frequently. Grotesque. Grotesque means comically or repulsively ugly or distorted. बेजोड़, बिगड़ी हुई शक्ल, अजीब. Synonym of grotesque is malformed, deformed, mishapen, misprohibited, misproportioned, distorted, twisted, gnarled. Antonym of grotesque is ordinary, normal. Emanate means खारिज करना, खारिज होना. Of a feeling, quality or sensation, issue or spread out from a source. Synonym of emanate or emerge, flow, pour, proceed, issue, ensue, come out, come forth, spread out. The antonym of emanate or conceal, hold, keep, take. Remorse means deep regret or guilt for a wrong committed. रिमोर्स का मतलब है निदामत, पछतावा, पेशमानी. द सिनोनिम ऑफ रिमोर्स आर कंट्रीशन, डीप रिग्रेट, repentance, penitence, guilt, feeling of guilt, bad, guilty conscience, guilty conscience. The antonym of remorse is indifference. Barter, exchange of goods or services for other goods or services without using money. Barter, लेन देन, एशिया का तबादला. A synonym of barter are trade, swap, trade off, exchange, given in exchange, change, traffic, sell. While the antonym of barter are forfeit, lose, surrender, market. Delicate means very fine in texture or structure, of intricate workmanship or quality. Delicate का मतलब है उम्दा, माहिराना, नाजिक. Synonym of delicate or fine, exquisite, intricate, dainty, airy, elegant, graceful, flimsy, gauzy. While the antonym of delicate is crude, coarse. Maneuver means move skillfully or carefully. मैन्योर का मतलब है तदबीर, दाव करना, चाल, हिकमत अमली. द सिनोनिम ऑफ मैन्योर इज स्टीर, गाइड, ड्राइव, नेगोशिएट, नेविगेट, पायलट, डायरेक्ट, मैनिपुलेट, मूव. while the antonym of maneuver is cessation, ignorance, inaction, inactivity. Relinquish means voluntarily cease to keep or claim, give up, रिलिंक्विश का मतलब है छोड़ना, तर्क करना, दस्तबरदार होना. द synonym ऑफ रिलिंक्विश आर renounce, give up, part with, give away, hand over, turn over, lay down, let go of. The antonym of relinquish are keep, retain, continue. Ghastly. Ghastly means भयानक, डरावना, खौफनाक. Ghastly का मतलब है causing great or horror or fear. The synonym of ghastly are terrible, frightful, horrible, grim, awful, dire, frightening, terrifying, horrifying. The antonym of ghastly is pleasant, trivial, excusable. Macabre. Macabre means disturbing because concerned with or causing a fear of death. हिबतनाक, वहशियाना, भयानक. Macabre synonyms are gruesome, grisly, grim, gory, morbid, ghastly, unearthly, lurid, grotesque, hideous, hideous. And the antonym of macabre are cheerful, happy, pleasant, pleasing. Scuttle. Scuttle means run hurriedly or furtively with short, quick steps. स्कटल का मतलब है जल्दी जल्दी करना, तेज तेज दौड़ना. द synonym of scuttles are scamper, scurry, scramble, bustle, skip, trot, hurry, hasten, make, haste, rush. While the antonym of scuttle are ebb, arrive, malfunction, unearned, run. Affirmative. Affirmative means agreeing with or consenting to a statement or request. Affirmative का मतलब है इकरारी, मुस्बत, असबाती. The synonym of affirmative are positive, assenting, consenting, agreeing, concurring, corroborative, favorable. While the antonym of affirmative are dissenting, negative.